This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, welcome to Kumar Consulting. So now in this session, I'll let you know how to install this SAP server, and the steps are quite easy. So where you have to look at here SAP GUI download link. So you need to click on this link, the second link. Click on here. Now a new tab is open here. So just wait. Now you need to click on download. Click on download. Just click on download here. Once you click on download, again, don't read this message and all, just click on download anyway. Click on download anyway. So now here you can, if you want to, better to keep this on desktop itself. If you want to download it on a different folder, then you can give the folder, what to say, this one, address, but download it on desktop. So just click on save. So now it is download started, and guys, it's a heavy file, so it takes some time, and it depends upon your internet speed also. That what is your internet speed and all. Sometime if the speed is slow, then it may take too much time. If the speed is more, then it will take less time also. So now this download is there. I'll just do one thing. I'll pause the video here because I think my download speed is also slow itself. So I'll pause this video here and let it download it. Once the file is downloaded, I'll let you know how much time it has taken and then what is the next step. So I'll pause the video here itself.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so now here, look at here, the download is completed and it has taken around 20 minutes. So the download depends upon the internet speed. If the speed is too slow, then sometime it takes even 1 hour, 2 hour also. So don't worry if it is taking time. What you have to do, you need to keep this on download, and you can keep the laptop aside and you can do your work. Now look at here, download completed. So what you have to do, you need to click on open. Okay, if you look at here, you can look at here, this is the file SAP GUI 7.40. So you just do one thing, either you can click here on open or else you can double click there also. So click here on open. Now file explorer, so I'm using window 10. So we can do, or else we'll do one thing, guys. Let me do one thing. Click on refresh and double click here. Let's see what is happening. Double click on this folder. So again, same thing is there. Just click on OK then. You have to open this file. Okay. Now, so now you need to double click on this first folder. Double click on this. Then double click on again this folder. Press 1. Double click. Then you need to double click on GUI folder, third folder. Double click. Again, you need to double click on Windows folder. Again, double click on Win32. Now, look at here, guys. We are having. You have to come down at the bottom, and then this setup all is there. So you need to click. You need to right click on the setup all. Right click, and just click on right click. It's getting open. Let me just make some experiment. Okay, so once you click on setup all, right click on setup all, and then it is showing open. So click on open. Once you click on open, then it's showing extract all functions. Okay, so click on extract all. Now it is showing select a destination to extract file. Now this extract file where you want to save. So this one also will save it on what to say, desktop itself. on desktop itself, I'm going to select this file on desktop. Okay, here desktop, and click on select folder. So look at here, now desktop, it is going to be, the file is going to be extracted here, where on desktop, click on extract. Now just wait, extraction started. Look at here, extraction, let me close these all things. So now this file is started extracting. So it will take some time, might be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depends upon the speed. So let it be 7%. So I'll just do one thing. I'll keep this video once again on pause. I'll pause this video so that it will not be much lengthy.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay guys, so now here it got downloaded. Extraction is done. And look at here, just below, we're having a different file. And this is, the name is bd_nw_ 7.0. So this is the file. This one is zip file and this one is the folder, which is now extracted. So look at here the name. Now what you have to do, you need to double click on this folder. So now just maximize it, and after, once you double clicked on this folder, this is the folder name, and you need to double click on press 1, and then you need to double click on GUI, double click, then you again double click on Windows, double click on Win32, and then here once again we are having setup all. You need to double click on setup all. It is asking, do you want to allow this to make changes? So you need to click on yes. So look at here, now installations started. The first thing you have to do is click on next. Click on next. Then what you have to do, again here you need to click on select all. First of all, select all, and then once again click on next button. Again you need to click on next button. Again click on next button. Again click on, look at here, the even name also you can read out guys, because there are several different screens are appearing. Again click on next button. It means you keep on clicking next, and then look at here, installation started. Again, the previous this extraction has taken around 20 minutes. Okay, so here again, if speed is slow, it may take more time also, and even less time also. Totally depends upon your internet speed. So now let it be. %, 10%. Mine is window 10. It is going to be supported Windows 7, Windows 8, any window. Same procedure is there. In the same way you have to do. And guys, make sure that MS Office should be there in your laptop. Okay, window doesn't matter whether it is original window or pirated one. It doesn't matter. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, whatever is there, it's okay. But make sure that MS Office also supposed to be there in your laptop. So 38% is done, 39% done, 40%. So we'll wait and we'll see the next step. So I guess it may take total of 4 to 5 minutes or might be more. Again, depends upon the internet speed. So now almost 95% done. %. Okay. So now click on close and then look at here, guys. So what is happening? This GUI is downloaded. This is downloaded. Now what you have to do, you better to create a new folder. You create a new folder. Just wait. Okay. So now here, let me refresh this. And you just do one thing. You create a new folder. Okay. Now here, you can keep any name like SAP. Change the name here. SAP. Press enter. And whatever this folder is there, that all folder, even this SAP and this one you can, and even this shortcut also, we are not having any use of this one. You just cut it and you can paste it here. Okay, keep as it is, don't delete it. Later on also there'll be, like, let's suppose if due to certain reason, if SAP is uninstalled and all, so again, or if it is deleted, just wait. So you can drag it and you can keep it here. Now, so now we have installed this SAP Logon pad. So installation is done. Now what next? You double click on this one. Double click on this symbol, SAP Logon pad. This is also called GUI, Graphic User Interface, or is SAP Logon pad. Now if you look at here, nothing is there. How to log in, guys? So now first of all, we have to do some more configurations. Configurations, what we have to do, guys? You need to click on new. And then once you click on new, then click on next button. Nothing to do, click on next button. And here you have to give description. In description, you can give like, let's suppose FICO or is SAP FICO, whatever descriptions you want to give, you can give. Application server. What is the application server, guys? So once again, you have to come back to your mail which I have sent and click on this. Look at here in mail, what application server I have given. I have given here 183.82. You can type it manually or even you can copy and paste. I'll tell you guys, most likely what is happening while copying, most of the people, what exactly they are doing, I'll tell you. Here, if you're going to copy, so they will just double click on that. Sometime one more space is going to be it's going to be copied like this. So look at here, the additional space got copied here 183, but before that one space is also there. So make sure if you're going to copy, there should not be any additional space should not be copied, or else you won't be able to log in. So either you can type manually or else just copy exactly 183.82.114.15 and then paste it here. Okay, and you can check here. Now there is no space. Okay, if like let's suppose look at here, there is a space here, so there should not be any additional space, or else there will be you won't be able to log in. Now instance number, what is the instance number here? Look at here, instance number also I've given 66. So again come back and give instance number 66. System ID, what should be your system ID, guys? So look at here, here itself system ID is EH6. So give EH6. EH6. Now router string, nothing is required, because if you're having work from home and all, and once you become a consultant, if you are going to if you're going to take this work from home for a few days, few months, whatever it is, then in that case what will happen, your basis consultant is going to do this setting. They will create a router string number and they'll give you, and you have to give this router string number here. Then what will happen, this remote, your office server, you can access from your home also, or else there will be lots of restrictions people are going to apply. That is why. So if you want to access that office server from your home, then this router string number is required. But that will be like once you become a consultant, then your basis consultant is going to do. So what is happening, guys? Now all the configuration is done. We have given descriptions, whichever you want, you can give SAP, FICO, or FICO, better to give. And applications server number we have given, instance number, system ID we have given. Now what next? So click on next button. And again click on next button. Nothing to do, don't apply any check mark, anything, just click on next button and then simply click on finish. Click on finish. Now look at here. So now here, if you want to this one, you can maximize also. So now what is happening, you need to double click on FICO. Double click on FICO. Okay, so look at here, connecting, it's getting connected. Now look at here, SAP is open. You need to expand this. You can here expand it and give your user ID and password. So what is the user ID here? What is my user ID? In the sense, look at here in the email itself, user ID is user 11 and password is India123. So I'll just, okay, and all are small letters. What we have to do, use your user ID like here, user 11. So user ID means if you're going to keep small or what to say, this one doesn't matter here. Let's suppose I'm going to give user 11, I mean uppercase also, but make sure that password must be in lowercase. Okay, lowercase means all the small letter itself I've given. Give INDIA123. So don't worry, whatever password I have given, this is not your permanent password. The moment you press enter, look at here, now system is saying that you need to create your own password. Okay, whichever password I have given, that is one-time password. Okay, this is a pretty common password. I give it to everybody, but now you have to give your own password. So I'm going to, let's suppose, give my own password. So, and make sure that whichever password you are going, don't give very too much, what to say, minimum 6-digit, I think, length supposed to be there of this password. So don't give too much lengthy password, because if you forgotten, then 3 times, if you're going to enter the wrong password, then your ID will be locked. And once again, I'll have to raise a request to, what to say, unlock this, what to say, your user ID. So always give this what is the easiest password. I have given. So new password, and again you have to repeat and then click here or press enter button. So now look at here, again press enter. So now I'm able to log in. Now here I'm able to log in. Okay, if you want to log out, click on system and click on log off and make it yes. Okay, so this is how I'm going to log in. Note, look at here above, user ID validity will be 3 months, whichever the user ID, whichever the login credentials I'm purchasing. So the validity will be 3 months. So after 3 months, what is happening? This is going to be expired. Okay, after 3 months, it is going to be expired. So here, how to log in, guys, you came to know. You need to just double click on your login pad. And then now you need to double click on FICO, or else it is already selected. You can click on Logon also. Anyway, you can double click directly on FICO also, anything you can do. And here, if you press space button, then look at your user ID is appearing. Every time you need not to type, press the space button and then come back here in password field and give your password, whichever password is there. So I'm going to give my password and press enter. So it's pretty easy now. I'm able to log in. So this is how the installations will be. So that's all, guys, and you have installed your SAP successfully. So that's all in this session.